Today I'll be making a board for my kids using the Safa Chicken Breast Nuggets, and I of course am so excited because who doesn't love putting a board together? And this is going to be a fun tutorial. Can't wait to show you guys. So the Safa Chicken Nuggets are made with chicken breast. They are amazing quality and I will show you. They're halal of course. And preheating my oven to 400 degrees. I'm going to bake them in the oven for 10 minutes, and in the meanwhile, while they're in the oven, I'm going to be prepping everything that I want to put on the board, and I'm going to show you. This is super simple. All I had to do was put them on a cookie sheet. My oven is preheated. I'll be baking them, and I'll take you along with me while I prep my other products for the board. So I'm prepping my fruits for the board. I want 2 fruits and 2 types of vegetables. A snack that's a carb and also a sweet. So I'll show you what I do because I want it to be kind of like a full rounded meal. Here I've got strawberries that I've washed and halved. And here I've got grapes. I want to show you what I do when it comes to a board, especially with kids. It's better to kind of already give them their share, like their serving kind of. I've got 3 boys and they can just grab a bundle and eat it. And as they finish, they can grab another bundle instead of picking one at a time. And I cut them in different sizes, that way they can grab however much they want and it'll hold together to make a pretty board. While these cool, I'm gonna start prepping my board. They smell so good. I wish you could try them. I'm gonna cut into one just to show you what it looks like on the inside. My choice of vegetables is grape tomatoes and English cucumber. The English cucumber, I cut it into round circles. And we're ready to go to our board. I'm going to show you. Alright, so when I start with a board, I always take my ramekins and I try to make a triangle out of them. In this case, they're going to be the dip for my vegetables and for my chicken nuggets. So I'm going to put them actually next to each other. They're going to be my focal point today. I'm going to build the chicken nuggets and my vegetables around it. And that's going to give me a good base to start from. I want the fruits to be towards that end. I can just envision the grapes over there. I'll show you what I do. I'm going to start with my cucumbers. I'm going to start by making like a little border using the cucumbers around the ranch, like this. And then I'm going to put the chicken nuggets. And I'll show you what it looks like. This is what I have so far. I went around the barbecue ramekin with some of the nuggets. And then I also did this kind of thing here. It's going to hold my, my cheese crackers for the kids. You can always use the things on your boards as a border for things so you don't have to put everything in bowls. And I'm going to show you how this area is going to hold their crackers. See how it's kind of like a bowl for them? That's one of my favorite ways to do things on a board. This is what I have so far, and I'm going to lay out my strawberries, and their treat is some Halal Marshmallows. So I will show you. I'm almost done. Can't wait. And here you have it, a beautiful, delicious after school board, chicken nugget board that's halal, healthy. It's full of vegetables and fruits. Your kids will eat it and enjoy every bite because it looks pretty. And as we say in Arabic, العين بتاكل قبل الدم, which is the eyes eat before the mouth. So try this out. Try these chicken nuggets out. They're amazing and I highly recommend them for your family. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.